Hello everyone, and welcome to Business Standard video series, My Money. In this video, I'm going to tell you what all to consider when, after making your purchase, you're faced with the question, should I pay by cash or should I use my credit card? Well, personally, I use a credit card for most of my purchases. To pay with credit is always a wiser choice. I can make purchases anytime, anywhere in the world. I pay my utility bills, my telephone bill, my electricity bill using a credit card. I can also book airline tickets, rail tickets, movie tickets and whatnot, again, using my credit card. It's a great financial tool. Why? First of all, it offers you an interest-free loan for a specific number of days. It helps you manage your money better. It's a secured way of making payments. Well, it opens up this whole world of the shopping experience. My personal favorite, you earn reward points. So, before we get into the details, a word of warning. If you're forgetful by nature and miss paying your bills on time, the credit card is a surefire way of inviting disaster. So, after an appropriate warning, let's now find out how rewarding and convenient a credit card can be. Interest-free loan. Most credit cards give a free credit period, which is an interest-free loan for a specific number of days. Most banks will give you a 20 to 50-day free credit period. To make things clear, let's have a look at the credit card statement. Here is a statement dated 14 July 2013. The billing cycle starts from the 15th of every month. In addition to this, there are 17 more grace days, which is in this case 1st August. In effect, the free credit period for this credit card is 48 days. Thus, for all the purchases you make using your credit card on the first day of the billing cycle, you get an interest-free loan for 48 days. So, all the money that you would have paid upfront now sits in your bank and earns you an interest. A windfall, isn't it? But remember, even a day's delay can burn deep holes in your pockets. Banks charge hefty sums as late payment fees. So please, make your payments on time. Most credit cards offer a rollover facility. Now what does this mean? I'm going to help you with an example. Let's say you've made a purchase of rupees 10,000. Now the credit card company will tell you to pay rupees 500 and the remaining rupees 9,500 can be rolled over. It is a good facility. However, I want you all to be aware that most banks will charge a 25 to 50% annualized rate of interest. Now with big amounts, this can be really scary. Just imagine, you make a purchase of rupees 1 lakh and after a year, you have to pay 1,40,000. Please, be careful and you'll be fine. One good advice from my side would be to synchronize your credit card due date with the date you receive your salary. Another rule which I follow is to cap your credit limit. This way, we don't overspend and you can avail the credit facility staying within your budget. And when we budget better, guess what? We can shop better. Just imagine the pleasures of carefree shopping while your credit card takes care of your budget. The best thing. Another tempting thing about credit cards is reward points and cashback offers. As you might be aware, most credit card companies offer you reward points on every purchase you make using their card. Now these accumulated reward points can be used to make purchases from stores which are tied up with your credit card. It's a great facility. Also, credit card companies offer a certain percentage cashback on select purchases for a brief period of time. Now this differs from the discounts that we get at retailers. You can think of this percentage cashback as a gift from your credit card issuer. Another important thing you can do with your credit card is to withdraw cash from an ATM. However, I'd suggest that you only do this in an emergency. Banks charge you 300 rupees to 500 rupees on every transaction plus an interest of 2.5% every month. It would not be wise to withdraw money from an ATM using your credit card. Please be aware and be careful. A quick recap. A credit card is a great tool to manage money better. Most credit cards give about 20 to 50 days interest-free credit. They are a secured and cashless way of making purchases. They help keep a track of your expenses. They also open up avenues for online shopping. Last but not the least, with credit cards you can earn reward points on every purchase and cashback offers occasionally. And now a pertinent question. What if my credit card is stolen? Well, you see, most credit card issuers will track your credit practice or your credit pattern. In case a break in this pattern or a heavy purchase, the credit card issuer will raise an alarm. He'll put the transaction on hold, will call you up and confirm with you, and only then will the transaction take place. So from our side, we should have the issuer updated of our mobile number and our email ID. After every transaction, the issuer always sends us a confirmation SMS or a confirmation email. In case you have not made this transaction, please inform the issuer immediately. In case your credit card is lost, call up the issuer, block the card. They will reissue you a new one for a basic minimum fee. Also, never share PIN number, your passwords and other important credit card details with anyone. So there we are. Before I finish, a few things you should remember. Always pay your bills on time. Avoid rolling over credit card balances. Synchronize your credit card date with your salary receipt date. Preferably, have a cap on your credit limit and avoid using credit cards to withdraw cash. If you're aware of the risks, you can certainly count the benefits and make the most out of your credit card. Return to me at Business Standard video series My Money for more smart money tips. Bye for now.